I think that'd be all right. Actually, otherwise we'd be here all day. So, yeah, I'm just tidying up a few things before I install Cubic, and I will be installing Cubic on this particular episode. Still got loads to do. We've got to organise it all in order to make the custom ISO up. Now, the only problem with Cubic is that it does save inside Etsy. I will show you later on, but it saves its own custom line across the settings there, which enables you not to be able to install it as an EFI. It'll just install as legacy only. There must be an option inside it. There must be. Now, what I'm going to need is color, G color that I installed. Color picker. Here we are. And I'll just add that to there. Now, ordinarily, of course, it would have my graphic card, because with the Ryzen 5 2600, you do need a dedicated graphic card to go along with it. It hasn't got Vega graphics inside it. 6 cores, 12 threads, but I am going to be upgrading my motherboard. Still keeping it DDR4. We'll be upgrading it. This is a nice Ryzen 7 or something. 8 cores, 16 threads. Yeah. Anyway, there's that. Excellent. Okay, so where do we go on in here? Go in here. So the grub I've done everything apart from installing Cubic. So that's what we're going to do next. Hopefully it installs. It should do. It should be fine. Should be out for 22.04. It should be by now. You would have thought so. If it isn't, then waste the time me making this video. It's probably a waste of time anyway, but I just like making content. Still had capitals on. Yep. There we go. Imported OK. Sudo apt update. Or I could have just put upd. So I can now get Cubic. Yeah, quite a lot to install. Took a while to install, quite a lot coming on down. I'll have to have a look and see how much room we got left, as well as we've got 140.3 gig left, so we should be all right. Still, there's that installed. I've brought over Linux Mint 21.1 because it's going to be that we're going to be working with. But because we're going to be adding up files on in there, we're going to be adding my layout. We're also going to be making sure that Mint themes, Mint X, Mint Y, and Yaru, and all those other icons, Mint cursors have gone as well. Make sure that they're all off of the system before installation. As long as it still keeps its core, as in still Linux Mint, as it is now, everything should be fine. And it should then set up as I've got it right now, as we work deeper with the actual ISO. It's going to take time, hence why I've given this 6 parts, because I don't want I don't want to bore the pants off of everyone if no doubt I have already and you've all fallen asleep or you've clicked off of this video and gone on to something else. I hope you've learnt something though. You know, there is no actual other way that I can show you apart from in a video. I could write it, but it'd take forever. Show you diagrams and stuff like that, and that would take forever. So a video is a good way of getting stuff on over. Oh, anyway, so I would have to put all these terminal commands that I put in previously onto the actual ISO, like upgrading it to the 418, so it's out of the box. Installing Nemo, installing Ubuntu restricted extras, that sort of thing, so it's already on the ISO, so I don't have to go tinkering about. So I just install it and it's there and it's got everything that I need. Saves me doing what I've been doing in these past 4 videos of tinkering around trying to get it to be as I want it. Do you get me? So it's there out of the box. Would it be under system, I guess? There we are, cubic or custom would be better. Create. There we go. We'll select that. Custom. Next. So the original disk file name. I'll just go in there, go into documents. It's this one. So we just select that. So it doesn't really give you any instructions on what to do. I mean, I could just have it as it is, but it still come on down. Now, there is, yeah, see, it puts this custom Vera on the end of it. I don't know why. I don't want that. Just have it as that. 17th of the 4th, 23. Yep. Okay. So we can go next now. It's going to analyze it. Extract the compressed. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've done this. Last time I done this was in Ubuntu. Maybe it kind of came out all right. Not that happy with it. It took me ages to find out, and I never took notes on it, so I'm doing this from memory. Now, the good thing about this is that you don't have to put in sudo every time because you're in as a root. So we can get rid of apt remove mint themes. Yep, want all of that done and out of the way. Don't need it on there. Get rid of it all. Like I said before, it should be a choice if you want that installed or not. It was that was slowing everything down. Trying to think. Mint cursors, wasn't it? I thought it was. Let's have a look in Synaptic, shall we? That's the point. I've got to add that to this as well. Let me just look. We'll just put the list up of everything that's minty, and then we just get rid of what I got rid of beforehand. Come on, where are you? Synaptic. There we are. I'm also going to get rid of the software center as well. I don't really want Flatpak. Yeah, I think I will. don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with flat packs, but do I really need them on here? How many different ways do you need to have to install stuff? Are there certain things that I need off of there? No, there isn't. Not on a flat pack. If I just put in mint. Mint key ring, of course, we still need. Mint artwork. Oh, yeah. And the mint backgrounds, mayo, and all of that. So, yeah, mint artwork. So I don't want to get rid of all of this in one. Remove mint artwork. Yeah, so it was Mayo. Yeah, mint backgrounds, Vera and Vanessa, wasn't it? Remove. Mint. Backgrounds. Oh. Backgrounds, Vera. Mint. Backgrounds. Vanessa. That's where they were on it. Yeah. It's quite a lot, isn't it? 91.6 megabyte. It doesn't sound a lot, but it is. Yeah, mint cursor themes, that's it. So, cursor themes. Yep. Still need codecs and mint mirrors, mint translations, mint X icons. There we are. Remove mint. X icons. Space. Mint. Y. Icons. Mint Y legacy. Mint Y icons legacy. Icons legacy. So while I'm in the process of doing all this, you may as well go off and watch some of that else, because this is going to take a while to do. So I'm going to come back in the next part once I've got this ISO made. I think that's what I'm going to do, because this is just going to take forever. All right.